playing the cards I was dealt. On the E-way, we race on that belt. And we smoking the top of that shelf. And my nympho, she thinks she a elf. I want sick on my heart in a well. Wake up in new zip codes and leaving a trail. When I fly by, I'm raining hell. And I'm burning my niggas on bail. Every president I know for sale. On the TV, they playing portrayals. The feet of the speed of betrayal. As we thinking they tryna derail. They think he is slow as a snail. And the bar so low, I'm in limbo, raising the rail. I seen a goat turn snake. Biggest fish turn steak. I seen a boy turn 8. Tryna turn 7 figures into 8. I just keep playing back the tapes. Tryna correct their mistake. It was just doing what it takes. Now I have my motherfucking way. Need a about to be rockin' so lean. What time I be at Juicy Couture? Her playlist is stay on repeat. JT and Gucci just ain't in his foot. I'm high as fuck over this bean, you know what I mean? Let's keep it up. I hit a little hole on that scene, just tryna be seen. It's desperate as fuck.
We fly to burst, splash, splash. My dick in the dark go purge, purge. I might spin out the curb and lurk. And shit funny to me, go dirge.
They call me Dirge, cause I'm the last thing you hear before they put you in the ground.
Flip.
Why? You think it's funny or something?
Flatbird. My only regret was fucking with niggas like you, I knew from the jump. These niggas, they living like crabs, the end of my barrel, put you in a slump. I'm really a motherfucking psycho, I can't be an idle wrinkle in that trunk. Just put my old hoe in that blender, she really a contender, but I just gotta dump.